Namaste. We are made up of the same elements that make up Mother Earth. Mother Earth supports us, protects us, nurtures us. But today she is wounded. She is hurting. And it is time for us to shower our love on Mother Earth. Join me for this beautiful Mother Earth prayer designed by Maitreya Dadashreeji. Place your hands on Mother Earth. Take a moment to connect with her, feel her. Now, with emotion, repeat the prayer with me. Today and now, I express my love and care for you. Forgive me for causing pain to you. Let me protect and nurture you once again. Let me heal your wounds with my love. Love, love, and only love for you. Love, love, and only love for you. Love, love, and only love for you. Thank you.